Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some swimming competitions trivia. Which country hosted the 2008 Olympics? Is it A, Sydney, B, Tokyo, C, China, or D, Seoul? The correct answer is C, China. What event is held every 4 years? Is it A, Super Bowl, B, election year, C, Olympic Games, or D, World Cup? The correct answer is C, Olympic Games. Where did Michael Phelps win his first gold? Is it A, London, B, Athens, C, Sydney, or D, Beijing? The correct answer is B, Athens. Which stroke is swum on the back? Is it A, freestyle swim, B, breaststroke turn, C, backstroke, or D, butterfly kick? The correct answer is C, backstroke. What is used to measure swimming pools? Is it A, feet, B, yards, C, meters, or D, inches? The correct answer is C, meters. Who is the all-time Olympic medal leader? Is it A, Larissa Latinina, B, Carl Lewis, C, Usain Bolt, or D, Michael Phelps? The correct answer is D, Michael Phelps. What shape do Olympic swimming pools have? Is it A, circular, B, triangular, C, rectangular, or D, oval? The correct answer is C, rectangular. Which male swimmer set a world record in 400-meter freestyle? Is it A, Michael Phelps, B, Ian Thorpe, C, Ryan Lochte, or D, Paul Biederman? The correct answer is D, Paul Biederman. What is the length of an Olympic swimming track? Is it A, 100 meters, B, 30 yards, C, 50 meters, or D, 25 meters? The correct answer is C, 50 meters. Which country has the most Olympic swimming medals? Is it A, Russia, B, Australia, C, China, or D, United States? The correct answer is D, United States. In what year were women's swimming added to Olympics? Is it A, 1912, B, 1932, C, 1904, or D, 1920? The correct answer is A, 1912. Which common skill is crucial in water? Is it A, breathing, B, diving, C, swimming, or D, floating? The correct answer is A, breathing. Which stroke is known for its frog kick? Is it A, butterfly stroke, B, freestyle kick, C, backstroke glide, or D, breaststroke? The correct answer is D, breaststroke. In what competition is the 1500-meter freestyle? Is it A, Pan American Games, B, Olympics, C, Commonwealth Games, or D, World Championships? The correct answer is B, Olympics. What event includes a flip turn? Is it A, sprint race, B, butterfly stroke, C, freestyle, or D, diving competition? The correct answer is C, freestyle. In swimming, what does FINA stand for? Is it A, International Swimming Federation, B, International Swim Association, C, Federation of Aquatics, or D, Federation of Swimmers? The correct answer is A, International Swimming Federation. What is the start technique in swimming called? Is it A, leap, B, dive, C, jump, or D, plunge? The correct answer is B, dive. What discipline involves multiple strokes? Is it A, individual medley, B, relay race, C, diving competition, or D, freestyle swimming? The correct answer is A, individual medley. Who is known for the 200-meter butterfly world record? Is it A, Ian Thorpe, B, Ryan Lochte, C, Michael Phelps, or D, Christoph Milak? The correct answer is D, Christoph Milak. What is the main term for swimming contests? Is it A, relays, B, tournaments, C, games, or D, meets? The correct answer is D, meets. Which country dominated swimming in the 1980s? Is it A, United States, B, China, C, Australia, or D, East Germany? The correct answer is D, East Germany. What is an essential skill to learn first? Is it A, flipping skills, B, floating, C, breathing techniques, or D, diving depth? The correct answer is B, floating. What competition uses swim-off format? Is it A, World Championship, B, FINA Grand Prix, C, Olympic Trials, or D, NCAA Finals? The correct answer is C, Olympic Trials. What do swimmers often wear to reduce drag? Is it A, racing suits, B, swim caps, C, goggles, or D, flippers? The correct answer is A, racing suits. Which USA swimmer won 6 medals in 2008? Is it A, Mark Spitz, B, Chad Leclos, C, Michael Phelps, or D, Ryan Lochte? The correct answer is D, Ryan Lochte. In which year were the first modern Olympics? Is it A, 1888, B, 1896, C, 1900, or D, 1924? The correct answer is B, 1896. What do swimmers call a perfect performance? Is it A, perfect dive, B, personal best, C, sprint champion, or D, gold medal? The correct answer is B, personal best. Which country's swimming team is known as Dolphins? Is it A, South Africa, B, Japan, C, Australia, or D, Brazil? The correct answer is B, Japan. What is the water temperature limit in competitions? Is it A, 28 degrees C, B, 25 degrees C, or D, 20 degrees C? The correct answer is A, 20 Celsius. What accessory do competitive swimmers often wear? Is it A, goggles, B, water bottles, C, flippers, or D, swim cap? The correct answer is A, goggles. Which native Australian swimmer won the 100-meter freestyle? Is it A, Ian Thorpe, B, Michael Klim, C, Grant Hackett, or D, Lysel Jones? The correct answer is A, Ian Thorpe. Which organization governs international swimming competitions? Is it A, USA Swimming, B, FINA, C, FINA World, or D, IOC? The correct answer is B, FINA. What type of swimming meeting occurs annually? Is it A, Meets of Madness, B, Championships, C, Swim Showcase, or D, Aquatic Gala? The correct answer is B, Championships. Who is often referred to as the greatest diver? Is it A, David Boudia, B, Mike Rowbottom, C, Tom Daley, or D, Greg Louganis? The correct answer is D, Greg Louganis. In competitive events, how is a tie resolved? Is it A, swim off, B, coin toss, C, judge's decision, or D, photo finish? The correct answer is A, swim off. What is core strength crucial for in swimming? Is it A, speed improvement, B, endurance training, C, breathing efficiency, or D, stability? The correct answer is D, stability. Which medal is awarded for second place in swimming? Is it A, bronze medal, B, gold medal, C, participation trophy, or D, silver? The correct answer is D, silver. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.